Hello students, this is Anusha, your science teacher, here you to explain you second lesson of class 7, that is acids and bases. First serial number. Okay, sweet. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, in food items which are sweet to taste. In food items which are sweet to taste. Jaggery is sweet to taste. Next, sugar cane is sweet to taste. Next, what we'll add here? Jaggery, sugar cane, more. Jaggery, sugar cane. One more you need to tell me which is very sweet to taste. What we'll add here? Glucose. Glucose also, it gives you immediate energy, isn't it? When you don't feel well, immediate energy it is going to. Remaining 3 you are supposed to write. I gave you 3, remaining 3 you are supposed to write it. Got it? Which are sweet to taste? To the next one we'll go. Next one is sour, which are sour to taste. Lemon juice they have given. Next, after lemon juice, what we will write more, which are very orange, what we eat is sour to taste. Tamarind, it's sour to taste. Next, vinegar, as I said, in the food we are going to add it more. They are sour to taste. 3 I wrote, remaining 3 you are supposed to write it. Next, what are bitter to taste? Next one is, what is bitter to taste? Bitter. What are bitter to taste? Tell me some bitter to taste. Like neem is bitter to taste. Tea is bitter to taste. Coffee is bitter to taste. Remaining 3 you have to write down. Bitter means you understood, right? Neem. What is the taste of neem? That is a bitter one. Bitter gourd, okay, they have added. One more. 3 completed, isn't it? I'll wrap it here, sweet. One more is salty. What are salty to taste? Say me some food items which are salty to taste. Example, rock salt, sea fish, sea water, you can say they are salty to taste. You add more 3 to your table. Next is spicy. Spicy, you are very afraid of this item, isn't it? Spicy, which are very spicy to taste? Chilies. Chilies are spicy to taste. More, what we will add for this? Pepper is spicy to taste. Ginger is spicy to taste. So remaining 3 you added. So these all, what 5? What are 5? 5 tastes you feel. What are 5 tastes you will feel? Sweet, sweet, okay, bitter, sour, spicy, one more, salty. These all are the these taste you will feel in your food items. Mostly only these you will feel, only the bitter, sour, only these tastes, whatever the vegetables or whatever the fruits you take, isn't it? Mostly are these. This table completed. Table 1. Next, have here you experience any other taste in your daily life? Write them. Do you experience any other taste than this? It's a question to you. You're supposed to write it. Okay. Next. Do you find a difference in the taste of ripe and raw mango? Ripe and raw fruit. Suppose, what is a raw fruit? Do you find, next question is, do you find, next question is, do you find any difference in taste? Any difference in taste with ripe and raw fruit? What do you mean by raw fruit? Kacha fruit we'll say, isn't it? Kacha aam, kacha mango, you can say it. Kacha mango. Kacha mango will be sour to taste. Kacha mango will be sour to taste. Sour. Raw mango will be sour to taste. Then ripened mango. Ripened mango will be sweet to taste. Yes, there will be a change in the taste of the ripened fruit and the raw fruit. Next question. Do some substances change their taste? Do some substances change their taste? Do some substances after cooking? Do you agree with this? Yes, we have to agree with it, isn't it? Some substance change their taste after adding to after cooking. Let's like your bitter gourd. Bitter gourd, it will be very bitter to taste, isn't it? It will be very bitter to taste. But after cooking, after adding spices, after adding everything, it will be somewhat what? Somewhat spicy, somewhat salty. It has a different taste. Even the potato, it will be having no taste, you can say, before cooking. But after cooking, you will have a good taste. Yes, the some substances change their what taste after cooking. Next, do substance change their taste when added to some other substance? Yes, some substance change their taste. Suppose your juice is there, some juice. Let us say what juice we'll say. Let us say pineapple juice. If pineapple juice is there, it will be somewhat sour to taste, and it does not taste that much tasty when you don't add sugar into it. But if you add sugar into it, yes, it is going to taste very good, isn't it? Yes, after adding even the buttermilk, what you drink. So many have an habit of drinking buttermilk with adding some little bit of salt. So buttermilk before, it does not taste that much. If you add salt to it, yes, it will give you a good taste. Next, add salt to lemon juice. How do the two together taste it? You add salt to the lemon juice. How it tastes? It tastes very good, isn't it? Next, next question is, if you add lemon sugar to the lemon juice, yes, it is a before, if you add salt, it is a salty taste. If you add sugar, it's a sweet taste. Next, is there any difference in the taste without sugar? The lemon juice, if you don't add sugar to it, you will have a taste difference, isn't it? Yes, you will have a taste difference. Next, do some substance change color when added to other substance? Do some substance change their color when you add to other substance? Yes. How? Tell me one example which changes its color by adding another substance. So let us do one, we will see that one. Okay, let us do one. So in this, you are supposed to take turmeric, in a bowl. In a bowl you take turmeric, add water to it, and make it as paste. That paste you are supposed to write on a turmeric paste that you are supposed to apply on a paper. So it turns into which color? It turns into yellow color. After, so draw one, anything. Here we will make, here in the textbook they have given to draw flower, and with soap, with the soap water you need to dip in the soap cotton in the soap water, and you have to rub on this. So what color it changes? It changes into red color. So how to make it? The soap water, you have to take a soap, you have to add water and take it in a bowl, and you have to dip cotton into it, and you need to rub this. So after rubbing this, this one will become into red in color. Red in color means the turmeric paper has changed its color into red when you add soap water to it. That was the question, previous question I asked. And next, we can do the same thing with the lime water also. We can do, see, I'll read out for you. Similarly, take some lime water, add a few drops of it on the turmeric paper. Does the paper change its color? Is the changed color of turmeric paper is both in, yeah, in both it changes into red color. Rani and Sai dropped white sheet, they washed the sheet with the soap and found the horrible red spot appearing on the sheet. What may be the reason? That some substances, means these Rani and these two, what they did, it seems they are eating something and they have thrown on the paper. So that paper has turned into yellow in color. So they have rubbed it, and surprisingly they saw that it was a red in color. Means they were very afraid. What is this red in color? What is the reason for this? Some substances change their color when we add to another substance. We add to another substance. That is, see, color change. We notice here that turmeric changes color when a soap water or lime water is added to it. It is possible that some substances also change their color. Some substances, not only the turmeric we saw, we added soap water and lime powder, and we saw that it has changed into color. Your parani also, previously in the marriages and all, they used to keep parani, isn't it? Instead of mehendi, instant parani they used to keep. What if your turmeric and a lime, if you are going on the bitter leaves, you are going to add the lime, isn't it? If you are going to keep those two, it is going to turn into red. So if it is not available with you, soap will be available or surf will be available. If you combine both, and you can see a red color. Got it? So this is the one, the term, even not only the turmeric, different substances also. Some substances are there which are going to change their color when some other substances are added to it. So let us see that. Thank you.